So welcome to Starcraft The Board Game Tabletop Simulator Game Setup Tutorial. Okay, so first of all you take the expansion book. It's at the end. And this one. Okay, you don't actually need those, but if you need a reference, here they are. So you need to choose the first player. So you seat everybody with a color. You roll the dice. And if you play for more than 2 players, you can just take a dice and roll for second and third player and stuff, whatever. Okay, so yeah, we don't use this one anyways. Typhon, you can remove it. UED as well. Okay, so first player will be Manx, second player will be the Overmind. Okay, so choose factions, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, if you want to put that here, yeah, okay. And yeah, the even deck, everything is going to be done automatically when you press setup and shuffle decks. It's going to be different if you're 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 players. I can't do it now because I'm alone. And you choose your little ship card level 1 or stage 1, whatever. I'm just gonna take a random one. And then you reveal them. Okay. So I'll be getting 3 Marines, 1 base, 1 transport, 1 medic, and 1 Goliath. Okay, for the Overmind, 3 Zerglings, 2 Hydralisks, 1 transport, 1 base. Okay, yeah, 7 workers as well, but whatever. So 7 workers here. Okay. So now it's Galaxy Setup part. So Galaxy Setup, it says receive planets. We don't use the tokens, it's useless because you can just shuffle the bag. We use the optional rule to have 3 planets instead of 2. I mean, you pick those more starting planets. So you pick 3. But you only place 2. Okay. So now it's the first round of planet placement, but we're just 2 players. So the first player plays 1, the second player plays 1, and it goes back in the reverse order. So second player places 1 again, and the first one will place the last. You have to decide if you put your base on your first one or your second one. So I'm gonna place this one here in the middle, and I'm not gonna place my base there. So the Overmind will place his planets however he wishes. So here. And he decides to place his base here. He doesn't have to choose the area yet, just that it's there. Okay. Everything is written here if you want to have more details. Okay. So as Manx, I'm gonna place this one here. And I have to put my base there anyway. So those are not used anymore. It's over. Okay, so I'm the first player. So I need to place everything first. But we need to do the Z-axis part first. We all receive 1. You cannot place more than 1 each. You can even place 0 if the other players block you and everything. So those are not used. It's 1 per player. So I'm first player, so I'm gonna place those first. Their connections just as if they were adjacent to each other. Okay, you can press L to lock everything. Okay. Then the Overmind will place his. He just have 2 choices, so well, technically 3, because they can be adjacent, but they can never be placed on the same planet. So he's gonna put his like this. Okay, so as first player I have to place everything now. So I'm gonna put a transport here, or you can just put it on the bigger one. Okay, so I'm gonna put my base here and place my starting forces. Where's the medic? Yeah, the medic here. Whatever. Okay. Okay. So I have a connection to this planet and one to this one. Okay, so now in response, the second player places his units. So since the... Oh well, I'm not gonna talk about strategy here, but let's say I will try to expand here. Because, okay, so I will put my base here. Okay, so now, yeah, we take the resource cards from the deck here. So Hydrax. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, sorry about this. Okay, so well, it doesn't matter. Okay. Search. So Hydrax. Pride Water. This one goes to the Overmind. Okay, so Averner Station. Oh well, I did another mistake. Okay. Okay. Last one more, yeah. This will go to Minsk. Oh yeah, he had the Overmind token as well from this card. So well, let's place it. It cannot go on the same area than the base. Installations has to be alone and bases have to be alone. Well, not alone, but I mean they cannot be together. They can have units and stuff, but not together. Okay. This part is done. Play starting forces, yeah, it has been done. Well, maybe I missed the page, but now it's just, you just pick your cards. Yeah. Choose, yeah, their shape, galaxy. Well, technically, yeah, everything's done. Draw combat cards, yeah. So Terrans, pick 8. Because it's a racial ability, written here. And the Zerg and Protoss will have 6 cards. So that's all for the game setup. So now you're all set to start.